Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Outlook account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to sign up for your Outmail account, in the search box type in Hotmail sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown in the page. Click on Create a free account. Now enter your email to create your account and tap on Next. Create a password and enter the password you'd like to use with your account and click on Next. On the next page, type in your first and last name and click on the Next option. Select a country or a region and enter the date of birth and then type on Next. Now, all you need to do is solve the puzzle to verify that you are not a robot and click on Next option. You can either use visual or audio for the verification. After the verification is completed, you are now successfully signed up for your account. This is how you can sign up for your Outlook account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.